Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to find trending hashtags on TikTok. So first you need to tap TikTok application, then tap the search bar at the upper right corner and type what do you want to see that has a trending hashtags on TikTok. Example, dance performance. Click search. Then find the hashtag at the upper right corner and tap it. And now you can see the trending hashtags on TikTok that has 1,000,000 views. Example, dance performance. Tap it. And now you can see the trending hashtags on TikTok. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you to our next tutorial.